Hey, let's do a quick sketch with Procreate so we can do a little character drawing together. So let me share my iPad and then we'll be able to look at the Procreate screen. I'm not going to talk you through it. Basically, this is your typical layout for Procreate. You've got your drawing space in the middle. Up along the top, you've got your brushes, you have a smudge tool, you have an eraser, you have layers, and then over on the side, you have colors. And if you look at the different options, you can look at a color disc, you can look at palettes, you have different color harmony adjustments. All those things are available to you in that simple and easy to follow menu up top. To start my drawing, I'm going to stick with a basic pencil. So if you look on your brushes, find a pencil. I already have some brushes preloaded, so I have a sketching category and I use a standard pencil. You can use the Procreate pencil that's in there. And for myself, when I draw, I like to use a light color first. I typically pick light blue just out of habit. That's how I draw on paper too when I do inking. So I use a blue pencil when I sketch. And as usual, we work with very basic shapes first. So we're going to draw Ninja Pig, my little character. And he starts out with, you might have guessed it, a circle. And we're going to draw kind of like his head and shoulders. I put down a little circle, and then he has a fairly prominent snout off to the side. So I draw a little kind of square shape off to the side. Also, he has a very similar bandana to the turtle. So I draw that little bandana across his cheek next to his nose here. And then I give him little triangle eyes like that. Plus, out from the bottom of his snout, I draw another little triangle to create his mouth, kind of his smile. Next, what I'll do is I'll kind of add another line over here on the side to put the edge of his face. Plus, I'll add some ears up here at the top, a little knot here for his bandana to kind of show the edge of that bandana, and then his shoulders come down. He doesn't have much of a neck, right? He's got kind of a rounded neck. He's got a little bit of some jowls going on. That's the basic Ninja Pig. So after I kind of rough things in like that, I'll come back with another pencil and refine it. And for me, it's very useful to draw very loosely in the beginning as I kind of determine and decide what my drawing is going to look like. So if I'm using Procreate, great thing I can do is click on layers, click the plus symbol, add a new layer on top. Now I'm going to switch colors. I'm going to go with my dark pencil color. And because I'm on a separate layer, I can draw directly on top of this sketch a little bit more deliberately. And I can kind of follow and enhance those lines and correct maybe kind of the loose edges that I drew. Because in the beginning, I wasn't too worried about being perfect and precise. Now I can kind of refine things. Oops, I did that wrong. So I'm going to hit undo, that little backward arrow on the side. One of the things you have to get used to is kind of tilting and twisting your page. So with two fingers, you can turn your page, which is very helpful. I'm going to go ahead and erase this little line here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in his eye. Yeah, that's better. And then his really broad smile here, his crooked smile. See his mouth appearing there, his little jowls. Now, Ninja Pig is a character I've been drawing since I was 12 years old, probably. Um, kind of started out as a joke in school, and my school notebooks. But then over time, he's just one of my little favorites. So when I'm on board, I'll draw a little Ninja Pig action scene. Recently, I completed the very first Ninja Pig graphic novel. So who knows? You've been drawing a little character your whole life. What's stopping you from turning that into your own little book series? All right, nothing. I'm going to add his second ear over here on the side. See, when I sketch and draw, that loose drawing is like the original intention. And then over time, as I sketch and draw, as I redraw the character, I kind of decide where I want things to go. And I like having that flexibility, to be able to kind of correct something, refine something. If I don't need to, I don't waste time erasing. Put that little cheek kind of into the and down a little bit. But you can fix something as you go. And then what's great about having your extra layer is you can always go back in and turn that layer off. And now you have your finished drawing, right? So let's just fill in a couple extra little pieces here. Fill in his shoulder. Little points of his little chest. Corner of his shoulders. And then add the little fabric from his little mask. Right? There we go. Ninja Pig. What do Ninja Pigs want? What do all Ninja Pigs want? Revenge. Right? There we have it. Ninja Pig, not too difficult, but I suggest that if you want to get better at drawing characters and learning Procreate, try small. Just use a pencil and change the color, change the layers, give yourself some space, work on your character, refine it, add a new layer, refine it again, redraw. Don't worry about being perfect. You got it. All right, just experiment and have some fun. See you around.